And we are back with another video. This time it's with the Anker SoundCore speaker. So this is the box. It's very basic and it just pretty much straight to the point. Got the brand and what it is, SoundCore. Nothing on the sides. On the back you've just got a little bit about the company, and this is the Sport XL speaker by Anker. So if we open the box, right away we're greeted with the speaker here, which we shall put to the side, and then in this little box we have got an elastic band thing which to loop it on so we can tie it to like a bag, and then when we open it up we have our micro USB to USB cable, which we use to charge this, and it can be used to charge any device that uses micro USB through the speaker, as it has got a USB output for power, so it is a charging brick as well as a speaker. And then underneath this big part here we have our little quick start guide and our little well happy or not little card thing for reviews or any help speaker. So we've got our speaker. I'm just going to tie this around here, so it's as simple as threading it through this knot thing. You just thread through and then you pull it tight there, and that's nice and secure on there. And then this you can use to charge a phone through here. So we've got our output, the auxiliary output and our charging input, so that's all under a water resistant cover that you just have to pop off. And there you can see you've got a USB output there, 3.5 auxiliary and a micro USB charging port there. On the back is where you see your speakers, and you've got a bit of Anker branding there, and on the front. On the top you've got your basic controls, power, volume down and previous song, play, pause, answer any phone calls or anything, because you can answer phone calls and speak through this. The microphone that's sort of located around here. And then you got next song and volume up. And then disconnect from your current device and reconnect to any device that you want. So we shall turn it on, and you shall get that noise. That little noise says connected, but we connect it to my tablet. If it's not already connected, so bear with. So we're just going to press that little button there, and then that flashing blue light means it's being searching. And then in our little devices list it will say SoundCore Sport XL. We tap that and then it shall be pairing and it will connect, and you get that noise back. So we shall see how loud it is and sound quality. So we shall go to my Spotify and find my song that I use to test every speaker, which is good old Bohemian Rhapsody by Queen. So we're connected to the speaker.
Is this the real life?
This is what it sounds like.
Is this just fantasy? Caught in a landslide, no escape from reality. Everybody, I've got to go. Gotta leave you all behind and fade. Very, very frightening me. Galileo, Galileo, Galileo Figaro. Magnifico. I'm just a poor boy, nobody loves me. He's just a poor boy from a poor family, sparing his life from this monstrosity.
And there we go. So that is the Anker SoundCore speaker. I would recommend it to anyone. It's a very good, decent sized speaker, and at around £40 on Amazon it is a very good price as well. Small, it's not small, but it's not massive speaker. It's good, fit in your rucksack or something when you go on a hike, and it has got that output for charging. It is an active sports speaker, as it says in the name, so it is IPX7 water resistant and dust resistant, so it can face your rains, shower and storm, but don't submerge it. So that is the Anker SoundCore Sport XL speaker, and that is the end of the video.